Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Soil and Margaritas. I'm so glad that you're here. Today, I'm going to take you with me for a quick video on a couple of things that I'm doing on my vegetable garden. I have a few radishes that they went to flower. I let them go to flower because they never really did anything as far as making radishes. I don't know if the soil is a little bit too rich or I don't know. I really don't know. I planted two different types of radishes this year, and one type did amazing. China rose didn't do very well, so I don't know. I just let it go to flower, and I am enjoying the really beautiful flowers. But it's time for them to go so that I can plant other things there. Today I'm also going to be harvesting some poblano peppers and some jalapeno peppers because I think that they're ready, and I am ready for them as well. Let me show you this gorgeous zucchini plant. Isn't that just so beautiful? I mean, it's taking almost that whole entire bed, and the leaves are just so beautiful, you guys. Like, look at that. And I have some zucchinis already. They're growing. They might actually be getting ready soon. And look at those flowers. And look at my sunflowers, you guys. They're gigantic. I have 3 of them there. And I have 1, 2 KAJARI melons. And my goodness. The KAJARI melons are just doing beautiful. The cilantro is doing very well here. I think it likes the shade that this arugula is giving. This arugula, it's about 3, almost 4 feet tall, and it's flowering, and I did it on purpose because I wanted to create some shade for the cilantro that is growing right behind it. And I think the cilantro is doing very well because of that. This is the second round of cilantro that I planted a few weeks ago. It was about a month after I planted the other one that I first showed you, and this cilantro is doing really well as well. Right about now I am getting ready to direct sow more cilantro in another spot of the garden so that I have continuous growing of it. And about a couple of days ago, I gave my onions a little bit of a trim. They seem to be doing okay. They seem to be doing really well. I really have no clue when it comes to onions. So what I have been doing is that I have been harvesting as I need them. So you know, baby onions, I have plenty of them, so I don't mind getting some as I go.